Hey y'all, it's T Marie. I am back with another video and I just want to let you guys know happy 2020 and I'm so happy to post this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Now let's get into this hair. So I wanted to show you guys how I made these clip-in hair extensions using some hair that I already had at home. It will save you so much money, and trust me, it does not take that much time. So there's a few things that you're gonna need. You're gonna need some thread, a needle, the little clips, and you can get these from your local beauty supply store. And we're gonna go ahead and get started with threading the needle. The first thing you're going to want to do is measure the track so you know what size to cut it. I do double my wefts, that is optional. And there's a little line on the back of the clip. That is what you want to face towards the track to make sure that the clip-ins go in your hair and clip correctly. Now we're going to start with sewing through the hole on the clip, and we're going to sew it through the weft. And when I'm sewing through the weft, I'm going through 2 times, and then you'll see me go to the other side of the clip and go through the clip and the weft 2 times. So now you've successfully added 1 clip to your clip-in hair extensions. I don't recommend cutting the thread, however you can, it is totally up to you. I just go through the weft and add on the next clip and start sewing again. I feel like it's so much easier than like cutting, knotting, stopping, and doing all that again. And here you'll just see me adding the second clip to the other side of the track. You can do this as many times and you can make however many clip-ins you prefer. I made 7 and now we're going to install these clip-ins. So I have washed my hair and I have flat ironed it. I do have a video showing how I silk press my natural hair. I'll link that down in the description. So I'm just parting out sections of my hair and then I'm going to add the clips into those sections, and I'm pretty much going to repeat this until I'm done. I did decide to do a side part, so you guys will see me as I insert these clip-ins, and I will let you guys watch. So my clip-ins are finally installed and it looks great. It almost looks like I could be wearing a sew-in with leave out. However, the versatility of clip-ins allows you to take them out every night. You don't have to. If you prefer, you can just wrap your hair at nighttime and then comb it down in the morning. That's perfectly fine. So I'm just gonna go ahead and style my hair. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will be back with another video next month. And thank you guys for watching this video. I really appreciate it, and I will see you guys soon.